Welcome to the geometry creation video for tutorial number 2. To begin, choose the Create Rectangle command. Change the width to 8 and the height to -3.25 inches. Ensure that Anchor to Center and Create Surface are not enabled. Then select the origin. Zoom out to see the rectangle. Select the Apply button. Change the width to 6.5 and the height to 0.5. Then, select Fast Point and enter in the coordinates 0.75, -1.625 and press Enter. Select the OK button to exit the command. Now we will create parallel lines. Choose the command Create Line Parallel. Select this line here and a point to the right. Change the offset distance to 0.75 inches and press Enter. Select the Apply button. Choose this line here and a point to the left of that line. Change the offset distance to 0.75 inches. Repeat the same step using an offset distance of 1 inch. Select the Apply button. Choose this line here and a point above it. Enter in the distance 1.1875 divided by 2 and press Enter. Choose the Apply button and repeat these steps for a number of certain values, for the values that I show. Then, select this line here that we had created and a point to the left of it. Enter in the offset distance of 0.125 inches. Select the OK button to exit the command. Choose the command Create Line Endpoint. Enter in a length of 1/2 inch, an angle of 180 degrees plus 15 degrees. Then choose the fast point icon and enter in the coordinates 7.25 -1, -1.0312. Press the Enter key. Select the OK button to exit the command. Then use the Trim Break Extend command. Enable Trim to Entities in the ribbon bar. Zoom in so we can see these lines more clearly. Trim this line to this line here. Trim this angled line to this line here. Trim this line to this line here. This line here. And this line to this line here. Choose the OK button to exit the command. Now we will create lines. Choose the command Create Line Endpoint. Select this intersection point here and create a line to this angled line here. Choose this endpoint and this endpoint here, then this endpoint and this endpoint here. Select the OK button to exit the command. Select all of these lines and press Delete on your keyboard to delete them. Select the Trim command, ensure Trim to Entities is enabled, and trim the geometry as shown. Select the OK button to exit the command. Now we will fillet some corners. Choose the command Fillet Entities. Change the fillet radius to 0.05. Ensure that Normal is selected and Trim is also selected. Fillet the corners as shown. Select the OK button to exit the command. Choose the command Create Rectangular Shapes and a dialog box will appear. Change the width to 0.75 inches and the height to 0.5 inches. Change the shape type to all-round shape and choose to anchor about the center. Select the fast point icon and enter in the coordinates 4.75, -1.625. Press Enter. Then select the OK button to exit the command. This will conclude the wireframe geometry creation portion.